Start by heating your pot in some oil, then add your onions and garlic. Cook until transparent. Add tomato paste, this adds depth. The caramelization of the paste adds flavour. Add all your vegetables except for the tomatoes, zucchini and eggplant. May need to add some water. Stirring and cook until tender. I'm gonna add my tomatoes. Balance with sugar. Tasting as you add. Don't want it too sweet. Add herbs. Add zucchini and eggplant to finish.